Hey guys, I've been in the kitchen all morning making up some meals for us for this week. Anyway, I was getting ready to head out to the greenhouse and check on things out there and noticed it was almost time for Perry to get home. So I've been making us this drink the last few days, every day when he gets home from work, and it's actually not too bad and it's pretty good for you. So I kind of tweaked the recipe just to help it taste better. I really didn't think I was gonna like it because I don't know, I don't like weird things or things that taste bad. Perry can just down anything, and I wanted to show you how I make this, and I thought you might want to try it. So here we go. Okay, so this is basically it. I took a whole lemon and just cut it up. I made sure it was good and clean. Cut it up. You put it in there whole. Skins, seeds, and all. I did the same thing with an orange. These are those Cara oranges. I think it's C-A-R-A, I think is how you spell it. One orange, add to the blender. A cup of water. About a cup of blueberries. I usually just eyeball it, but so about a cup of blueberries. And then just a little bit of sweetener. I've been using stevia, but I wanted to try this monk fruit. So it's supposed to be about the same as sugar. I'll start with just 1 spoon. And then you just blend it up. Okay, so this is the second time this week I've done this. I forget to put the blade in. So put your blade in. Now we'll blend it. Now Perry should be home any minute. I'm gonna take mine to the greenhouse, and his will be ready when he gets home from work. It's very bright and refreshing, and super nutritious. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you. Sweeten it however you like it, with whatever you like. Yeah, you should give it a try. Let me know if you make it and tell me what you thought of it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.